gonna roll. I'm gonna this video will install file roll up. File roll up. I type that command ap -get install file roll up. I think it's spelled correctly. Enter, and it is installing it in my Linux. It shows it's installing my file roll up. So once installed the star type file roll in the terminal, and the GUI will open up. Okay, so now I'm typing that command. File type, file type, oh, not file type, file roll, file roller. What? File roller cannot open. Roller no such file directory. FILEROLLE. Okay, no such directory. The following screenshot show the victim. It shows some kind of file. After I drag and drop the whatever the name of the file and file in the file roll, and you can also click open button to open the compressed file. Compressed file, showing this example. To compress the file, you can drag the file of the window file roll will ask you whether you want to create compressed file. Here example in the following screenshot of a file name into a file and create a new compressed file called victim blah blah blah. So I can make a tar file or something like that. At the prompt, I told the file roll new file, whatever the name, and it add to a tar.extension.ge once the file is compressed. Extension file, and then have a tar file, and then next is gonna do split. To further reduce the file, you can split into multiple parts before sending it over the wire. One simple utility to accomplish this is split. To split the file, type split and the size of each file. To split the name of the file. The next example is the following screenshot shows a split called blood effort into a small 50 molecular called breakup. Each file will file name breakup followed by the letter. So our example of this call so the command prompt is going to be split-b 50 megabyte, and instead of victim data, it's going to be put list all. And what should I want? Change directory to desktop. And list all of that. Give me all that, and I could technically try to zip this file. Copy, command, copy this file. You see this highlighting? Copy. And then I'm gonna use split dash B50M, oops, 50M, paste the file name and break it up. That break up. Split command install command is a directory. Oh, so it's a directory, so I cannot do that. Split command to install is a directory. Oh, I cannot do that. Then I have to split something. Oh, split that particular file, RPM file. Copy. Too bad I cannot go back and up, but I don't need to. I could type it again. Split. I'm making the split dash B50M megabyte. Paste this file. Break up. And then it starts to break up that particular file. Break up. And it's done. Split computer, blah blah blah. That shows that it's done breaking up. And the reasonable we resemble other three files, we can do cat flee b flat that final file name. So you, for example, we will example the victim and file name victim whatever, what the name of the file using the break up AA, break up PA, and break up. We also can use a cat break up array of A to Z, whatever the file name command are showing the following screenshot of the known joins there. So just do. It's similar to the screenshot, but I'm going to change this to what my file that I break up to. So I do cat break up AA break up AB and break unpack pack that paste and enter, and it's a cat break B unpack no such file directory. So basically I should not use break up the command. And then basically that is basically how you do some kind of screenshot that you can get from Kali Linux and put in the report and send it to the email.